But since it's my first time, I'm definitely gonna look into it. What can I do to avoid that? Don't mind my finger. I accidentally cut myself through this process. Mind you, it took 2 days. Yeah, you see, I'm burning the ends right now. It's nice. I mean, it came out really nice, but I'm pretty sure there's definitely a better way to do this. Yeah. Don't mind me. I'm like a perfectionist. So anyway, here's the end, the finale. Boom, boom, bang. And it is banging, honey. And I love it. I love it because I did it. And I definitely took my time and enjoyed the process. So guys, love, like, share, subscribe. Show me some love. Thanks for watching.